Okay, students, so we're going to continue working on this. What we're going to do now is we're going to switch from designer to blocks. All right, so this is the starter code that we have, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and get rid of everything and start from scratch. Actually, let's don't do that. All right. So for starters, we're only going to have one screen, so we can get rid of this. Okay. All right. So we're going to kick this one and put it in the garbage. We don't need that one. Okay. All right. So over here, we're going to initialize some global variables. We're going to initialize name, set it to blank. We're going to initialize class period. So we'll click in here and we're going to type class period. All right. We'll get rid of this. We'll go to our text and we're going to bring an empty text in. Okay. All right. We're going to duplicate this. All right. This one will be reason. Okay. And then we'll duplicate this. And this will be return date. Okay. All right. And you want to make sure you get your typing right. Okay. So we'll line those up like that. All right. Now we have our submit button. All right. And under submit button, up here we say set global name. Let's go ahead and get rid of the if. All right. So we're going to bring out the set. All right. We can bring this up. This will sit right here. We'll get rid of the if and drop that away. All right. So the first thing we want to do is set global name to. All right. Then we're going to go to we want to go to our name tag right here, and we want to go to name text right here. We'll pop that in there like that. So set name text. All right. Then we're going to bring in a set global class period, and we'll get rid of this number. Okay. And then we're going to go to class period. Okay. And we're going to set class period to text. Okay. All right. We need two more of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate. This one's going to be not class period. This is going to be reason. And then we'll set this to say reason. All right. And then we'll duplicate it one more time. This is going to, instead of being reason, this is going to be return date. We'll change this to return date. Okay. All right. All right. So we got all of that. All right. So now we got to bring in our this right here. Okay. So we don't need set question display. All right. So we can get rid of that one. Okay. But this we will need. This is set paragraph display. Sorry for the bells ringing. All right, so this is the way we can put together what's called strings of text. So we're going to say, please excuse, get global name. That's going to import the name. Then we're going to go here and we're going to add some strings. We need one. We'll just go ahead and add a bunch of them, and we can always get rid of them when we don't need them. So we'll go for that for right now. We're going to have to add more. So now we got our get global name. So now we're going to go to text and we're going to bring up this. Now we want to type from, but we want to give ourselves a space in front of that, from. Okay. All right. Then we're going to go to our variables and we're going to say get global class period. We're going to get the class period. All right. Then we're going to bring out a text. Okay. We're going to put a period and a space at the end of that. All right. Then we'll go ahead and duplicate that. Okay. And in this one, we'll delete that out. And we're going to say they will miss class because I'll put a space at the end of it. Alright, so you're going to have to join a couple more of these, and these are what we call string blocks, and you really have unlimited. Okay, they will miss class because, alright, go to variables, get global reason. Okay, alright, we'll go up and steal this. It's another period. Alright. Alright, so then we're going to go get another text block. And in here, we're going to say they will return to class on, put a space at the end of it. Alright. Click on this. And like I said, if you need to move this so you can see it, you always can. Alright. Add another one. Alright. Then we'll close that. Alright. So they will return to class on. We're going to get, and this is going to be return date. Alright, so then we're going to get global return date. We're going to steal another period. Okay. Alright. Then we're going to duplicate another one of these. Okay. And we're going to say sincerely, comma, space. And then we need to add one more string. And we're going to do variables get global name. Okay? All right. So this gives us our entire code. So what we want to do is we want to go test this. Now I can't test this on here because I'm on my desktop. All right. So I'd have to test it using my phone, which I will do now. I'm going to pause it and test it. Okay, so it works so far, but what I have not done is I haven't done the reset button. So we're going to go over here to our reset button, and we're going to bring out rim reset button clicks. We're going to pop that right here. All right. And what we're going to want to do is bring out a whole bunch of sets. So we'll go up to variable. All right. We're going to set global name. We're going to go to text. And we're going to set it to something empty. Then we'll duplicate it. Class period. Then we'll duplicate it. Reason. Then return date. And then we want to go down to paragraph display. And we're going to set paragraph display to text. Alright. And we're going to click this and duplicate it and put that right in there. Okay. Now what that should do is that should reset the text display. Alright, so let me go pause and go look at my thing and see if that took care of it. Okay, so that did indeed reset the paragraph display. So we can go ahead and move this over, move these over. Okay. And then we can move this up. Okay. All right. And that is the complete app. So you want to make sure that you record this and submit it, and you will have a good excuse completely done. Good job, students.